Hello world and welcome. I hope everyone successfully installed their Jetpack 3.0 to their Jetson. So today we are gonna look for the power mode on the Jetson itself. So let's dive into it. So I'm gonna use the SSH, but if you are using the GUI mode, it's okay. Just pop up the console. It should be the same thing. So Ubuntu, the IP is specifically for me, so you have to find your own IP. All right, so we are logged into the Jetson itself, and then what we are going to do is change the directory to the root etc. And here there is one called nvp model, which sets this is configuration for the power mode on the Jetson. So I don't know if you know this or not, but the Jetson has several power modes, and I show you here. So power mode name is max n, and this is like all the CPU is on, and max frequency on the core is 2.0 gigahertz and 1.3 gigahertz on the GPU, and the max Q mode has turned off the Denver cores, and it has lower clock rate. So go on, and every you also can write your own power mode. But just to let you know, the CPU has maximum 2.0 gigahertz and GPU has maximum 1.3 gigahertz. So don't try to write anything more than that. And to the most bottom here, it says default equals 3. So let's go to the mode 3. So this is mode 3. So two of the Denver cores, which is high performance cores, are turned off as a default, and all the A57 cores are turned on to the maximum clock rate, and the GPU is turned on to the 1.1 gigahertz. So this is default as a boot up default. So if you want to change default to the most powerful mode, you can change it to the 0. So when it always boots up, you can use your Jetson as the most powerful mode. So I will leave the default as 3. And how do you check the current mode? So nvp model.q, then you can see all the way up here, the current mode is max p and number 3. So as it is set onto the default as a 3, so it is booted up as a 3. Good. So let's try to change the mode. So nvp model-m, this stands for the mode. So we are going to try to use the 0, which is the most powerful mode on the Jetson. So, yeah, we have to do the sudo. Okay, no errors. Nice. So let's check the mode again. So let's go up here. Now it's on the max n mode and 0, which is 0, and still default is 3, but it means the active is 0. Alright, so I will change this back to the 3. Alright, so depends on the situation you need, you can set your mode. So what's the performance difference here? So let me show you. Alright, here we go. So the NVIDIA, they already did the benchmark on each mode. So this is TX1, like how many frames and how many watts and the efficiency. So which network they are using, the Google Net or the AlexNet, the max clock, let's say Google Net. On the max clock TX2, they can process 200 frames per second on the 10 watts. So efficiency is 19.9, which means every 1 watt can process 19.9 frames. So on the max Q mode, it has lower clock rate compared to the max clock, and it only can process 138 frames per second, but it has significantly low power consumption. So if you divide by 138, divide by 4.8, it's gonna be 28.6 frame per watt. So this is slower, but it's more efficiency. So if you are doing some, if your Jetson is not plugged into the power, like let's say it's plugged into a battery, then the efficiency should be very important. So it's better to run your Jetson on the max Q mode. But if your Jetson is powered on with the like wall plug, the adapter, then like faster the better. So well, it depends on the situation, but I think faster the better. So you can use this on like training or like any purpose you want to use. So so you can also write your own mode. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.